Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the topic solutions from the lesson Is Matter Pure, ninth class physics. And in the previous class we dealt with the types of mixtures, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. And the best example for homogeneous mixture is a solution. And all of us enjoy drinking soda water and lemonade. We know that they are examples of homogeneous mixtures, means it is a mixture of different types of components, but even though we cannot see separately. The homogeneous mixture of two or more substances from which we cannot separate its components by the process of filtration is called a solution. Means the component of the solution cannot be separated by filtration. So solutions can be in the form of either solids, liquids or gases. And for the gases we say air, for the liquids we say lemonade, and for the solids we can say alloy. So what is the name you can see? Alloy wheel means it is a mixture of, it is a solution in solid state. And a solution has minimum two components. They are called solvent and solute. The component of the solution that dissolves the other components in it, means usually the component present in larger quantity like water is called solvent, and the component of the solution that is dissolved in the other solvent, generally this component is in lesser quantity, then it is called as solute. And in the salt water, salt is solute and water is solvent based on their quantities, and we can say the salt solution, salt water solution. A solution of sugar is prepared by dissolving sugar in the water. So in this solution, sugar is solute and water is solvent. And in the solution of iodine in alcohol, that is tincture of iodine, iodine is the solute and alcohol is solvent. And we can see iodine is solid, sugar is also solid, but water and alcohols are liquids. So all the aerated drinks, that is gaseous drinks, are liquid solutions containing carbon dioxide as solute and water as solvent. Example, thumbs up or Sprite, whatever. When you open the cap, you will find some gas is buzzing out. That gas is solute and the remaining drink is called solvent. Now can you give some more examples? Let us try. So sugar and water, when we mix them, sugar, water, and you cannot identify sugar anymore in the solution. And one final statement is all the solutions are mixtures, but not all the mixtures are solutions. Let us know the properties of a solution. In a solution, the particles are so small in size that we cannot see them with our naked eye. And they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution, and hence the path of the light is not visible in a solution. You can see now the first glass is solution and the second glass is heterogeneous mixture. So when you pass a light, you can see in the second glass you can see the path of the light, but in the first glass, solution glass, you cannot see. In the solution we cannot see the path of the light, that is, they do not scatter a beam of light. One more interesting property of solution is that the solute particles do not settle down and when left undisturbed. You can see now sand and salt water mixture. When you mix them and if we keep them, all the sand is settled down. And we can simply separate by filtration. But the salt solution is a mixture of salt and water. You can keep for any days, but salt is not settled to the bottom. So that is the one more property of the solution.